Have you ever wondered how Siri, Alexa, or even your navigation system works? These everyday marvels are driven by the power of artificial intelligence, or AI. The birth of AI can be traced back to the mid-20th century, when a group of visionary computer scientists started to question whether machines could mimic the human mind. The seed they planted grew into a tree with branches extending into multiple disciplines, from machine learning to neural networks. Fast forward to today, AI is not just a buzzword in tech circles, but a reality that permeates our daily lives. Whether it's a recommendation from your favorite streaming service or a predictive text on your smartphone, AI is subtly shaping our experiences. It's an invisible hand, guiding us through the digital maze. So we see that AI isn't some futuristic concept, but a reality that's already a part of our day-to-day lives. But what exactly is AI? Is it just robots and computers? Well, not quite. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's often called, is far more than just an assemblage of metal and wires. Imagine a machine that mimics the human mind, learning from experiences, understanding complex patterns, making decisions, and even predicting outcomes. That, in a nutshell, is AI. It's a field of computer science that's all about the creation of smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. But let's break it down a bit more. AI is a broad umbrella term that encompasses various subsets. Two of the most common ones you've probably heard of are machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning, or ML, is a type of AI that gives machines the ability to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Picture it as a toddler learning to identify animals. After seeing a few dogs, the toddler starts to understand that any four-legged creature with a wagging tail and a bark is probably a dog. That's machine learning in a nutshell. It's all about learning from patterns and experiences. Deep learning, on the other hand, is a subset of machine learning that imitates the workings of the human brain in processing data and creating patterns for decision-making. It uses something called neural networks, which are inspired by our brain's own network of neurons. Imagine it as a high school student solving complex math problems. She doesn't just know the answer, she understands the principles and formulas that go into finding that answer. So while AI does involve robots and computers, it's so much more than that. It's about creating systems that understand, learn, and adapt, much like our human brains do. It's about creating technology that can enhance our lives, streamline our work, and even predict our future. In essence, AI is all about creating machines that can think and learn like humans, but with an accuracy and speed that far surpasses us. One of the most crucial components of AI is machine learning. But what does that mean? Well, let's break it down. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that gives computers the ability to learn and improve from experience, without being explicitly programmed to do so. It's a bit like how we humans learn from our experiences, only a lot faster and more precisely. Imagine you're teaching a toddler to identify a cat. You'd probably show them several pictures of different cats, and each time you'd say, "This is a cat." The toddler, after seeing enough examples, would start to recognize cats on their own. This is, in essence, how machine learning works. It's all about learning from examples. Now let's translate this to the world of artificial intelligence. The toddler is the computer. The pictures of the cats are the data. And you, the teacher, are the algorithm that's guiding the learning process. The more data or examples the computer is given, the better it gets at identifying what you want it to learn. This is how computers can learn to identify spam emails, predict stock prices, or even recommend the next binge-worthy series on Netflix. But, unlike a human, a computer doesn't get tired or bored. It can analyze millions of data points in the blink of an eye, finding patterns and making connections that would take a human years to discover. This ability to learn and adapt quickly from vast amounts of data is what makes machine learning so powerful. So how does this all fit into the bigger picture of artificial intelligence? Well, if you think of AI as a body, machine learning is like its brain. It's the part that's constantly learning and evolving, making sense of the information it's given, and using what it learns to make decisions or predictions. Just like a human brain, it's not perfect. It can make mistakes, especially if it's fed incorrect or biased data. But also like a human brain, it can learn from those mistakes and get better over time. Machine learning is like the brain of AI, constantly learning and evolving from the data it's fed. Now that we've grasped the basics of AI, where is this technology heading? The possibilities are as vast as they are exciting. In healthcare, AI could transform diagnosis, treatment, and patient care, making it more personalized and effective. In transportation, self-driving cars are just the tip of the iceberg. Think of smart traffic systems that reduce congestion and improve safety. In the world of entertainment, AI's potential is equally thrilling. Imagine video games that adapt to your style, movies that change based on your reactions, or music that evolves with your mood. However, with these advancements come challenges: ethical considerations, job displacement, security concerns. These are all aspects we need to address as we move forward with AI. Despite these hurdles, the potential benefits are immense. As we step into the future, AI continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, revolutionizing how we live, work, and play. As we wrap up, it's clear that AI isn't just about robots taking over the world. We've delved into the birth of AI, explored its ABCs, peered into its brain, and glimpsed into its future. It's not some mystical, far-off concept, but a reality woven into our daily lives. We've learned that AI, with its machine learning, neural networks, and algorithms, is a tool designed to enhance human capabilities, not replace them. It's a partner, not a rival. From healthcare to entertainment, it's transforming industries and opening up a world of new possibilities. AI isn't about replacing the human touch. It's about making our lives more efficient, helping us make sense of vast amounts of data, and freeing us to focus on what we do best, being human. The next time you ask Siri for the weather or get a movie recommendation on Netflix, remember, that's AI at work, making your life just a little bit easier.